Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. This advanced language model is designed to assist you in a multitude of ways, making your digital interactions smoother and more intuitive. ChatGPT is a powerful language model. It can understand and generate human-like text. Whether you're drafting an email, writing a report, or simply chatting, ChatGPT can help you find the right words. Imagine having a conversation with a computer that feels natural. That's ChatGPT. It can engage in meaningful dialogue, provide thoughtful responses, and even tell jokes. It's like having a knowledgeable friend who is always available to chat. It learns from massive amounts of data. This allows it to write stories, translate languages, and answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way. The more it interacts, the better it gets at understanding context and nuances in language. However, like any powerful tool, it can be misused. ChatGPT is still under development. It's important to use it responsibly and be aware of its limitations. While it strives to provide accurate information, it can sometimes produce incorrect or biased responses, but it is constantly learning and improving. As it evolves, so does its potential for use in various fields. From creative writing to technical support, the applications of ChatGPT are vast and ever expanding. This includes cybersecurity, both offensively and defensively. ChatGPT can help identify potential threats, suggest security measures, and even assist in developing strategies to protect sensitive information. As technology advances, so does the role of AI in safeguarding our digital world. By 2025, ChatGPT could become a valuable tool for hackers. This advanced AI, with its ability to generate human-like text, has the potential to revolutionize the way cybercriminals operate. Imagine a world where phishing emails are indistinguishable from legitimate ones, crafted with such precision that even the most cautious individuals could be deceived. Its ability to generate human-like text could be used to craft convincing phishing emails. These emails could mimic the tone and style of trusted institutions, making it incredibly difficult for recipients to discern their authenticity. The implications are vast. From financial scams to data breaches, the potential for harm is significant. Imagine receiving an email that looks like it's from your bank asking for your login details. The email is so well crafted that it includes the bank's logo, official language, and even a personalized greeting. You might think twice before clicking, but many could fall victim to such sophisticated tactics. This is just one example of how ChatGPT could be used maliciously. Hackers could also use it to automate the creation of fake websites, social media profiles, and even chatbots that engage with potential victims in real time, making their schemes more believable and harder to detect. On the flip side, cybersecurity experts could use ChatGPT to their advantage. By leveraging its capabilities, they could develop more sophisticated tools to detect and counteract these threats. For instance, AI could be used to simulate potential attacks, allowing experts to anticipate and prepare for various scenarios. It could be used to analyze and understand hacking techniques. By studying the patterns and methods used by cybercriminals, AI can help in creating more robust security protocols. This proactive approach could significantly reduce the risk of successful attacks. This would allow experts to develop better defenses against these attacks. By staying one step ahead of the hackers, cybersecurity professionals can create a safer digital environment for everyone. The dual-use nature of ChatGPT highlights the ongoing battle between those who seek to exploit technology for harm and those who strive to protect and secure our digital world. Advancements in AI are like a double-edged sword. They can be used for good or evil. In the wrong hands, AI could make hacking easier and more sophisticated. Imagine AI-powered tools that can automatically find and exploit vulnerabilities in systems. This is a scary thought. However, AI can also be used to strengthen cybersecurity. AI-powered systems can detect and respond to threats in real time, They can analyze patterns and identify malicious activity faster than any human could. Using AI for hacking raises ethical concerns. Is it right to create tools that can be used to harm others? Even if the intention is to understand and improve cybersecurity, there is always a risk that these tools could fall into the wrong hands. It is crucial to establish ethical guidelines for the development and use of AI in cybersecurity. We need to ensure that these powerful technologies are used responsibly and for the benefit of society. Section 5. ChatGPT in action hacking scenarios. Imagine a hacker using ChatGPT to create a chatbot. This chatbot could then be used to interact with unsuspecting victims. It could trick them into revealing sensitive information or downloading malware. This is just one example of how ChatGPT could be used in a hacking scenario. Another scenario could involve using ChatGPT to generate fake news articles or social media posts. This could be used to manipulate public opinion or sow discord. Section 6. The future of AI and cybersecurity. The future of AI and cybersecurity is intertwined. As AI becomes more powerful, we can expect to see more sophisticated cyber attacks. But we can also expect to see more advanced cybersecurity measures powered by AI. It is crucial that we stay ahead of the curve and develop AI systems that are secure, reliable, and ethical. Section 7. The importance of responsible AI use. The use of AI in cybersecurity requires a responsible approach. We need to ensure that AI is used ethically and for the benefit of society. This means developing clear guidelines and regulations for the development and use of AI in cybersecurity. It also means educating ourselves about the potential risks and benefits of AI. We need to be aware of the potential for misuse and take steps to mitigate these risks. Section 8. Conclusion. Tread carefully in the digital age. As we enter the age of AI, we need to be cautious but also optimistic. The digital landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace, bringing with it both opportunities and challenges. AI technology has the power to transform industries, enhance our daily lives, and solve complex problems that were once thought insurmountable. However, with great power comes great responsibility. We must navigate this new terrain with a balanced perspective, recognizing both the potential benefits and the inherent risks. AI has the potential to revolutionize cybersecurity for the better. Advanced algorithms can detect and neutralize threats faster than any human could, providing a robust defense against cyber attacks. This can lead to a more secure digital environment where personal data and sensitive information are protected. But we must remain vigilant, as the same technology that safeguards us can also be exploited by malicious actors. But it also has the potential to be misused. Hackers and cybercriminals are constantly finding new ways to exploit AI for their own gain, creating sophisticated attacks that can compromise even the most secure systems. This duality of AI, its ability to both protect and harm, highlights the need for comprehensive strategies to mitigate risks and ensure that technology is used responsibly. It is our responsibility to ensure that AI is used ethically and for the benefit of all. This involves creating and adhering to ethical guidelines, fostering collaboration among stakeholders, and promoting transparency in AI development. By working together, we can create a framework that prioritizes the well-being of society and minimizes the potential for harm. By understanding the potential of AI, both good and bad, we can work towards a safer and more secure digital future. Education and awareness are key components in this journey. By staying informed and engaged, we can harness the power of AI to create a world that is not only technologically advanced, but also ethically sound and secure for generations to come. Section 9. A final word: education, not encouragement. This essay has explored the potential for ChatGPT to be used in hacking by 2025. It is important to remember that this information is for educational purposes only. The intention is not to encourage or glorify hacking. Instead, the goal is to raise awareness about the potential misuse of AI and to promote responsible use of this powerful technology.